Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili bean sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of dried red chilies, with their stems removed, and 1 cup of fermented broad beans. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of peeled garlic cloves and 1/4 cup of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced. These foundational components are crucial for developing the sauce's rich, authentic flavor profile. Now, let's prepare these ingredients for cooking. Begin by soaking your dried chilies in hot water for about 30 minutes until they soften, then drain and roughly chop them. Next, finely mince your peeled garlic and ginger. Finally, mash the fermented broad beans into a coarse paste. Proper preparation ensures all flavors meld beautifully during the cooking process. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat 1/2 cup of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic, ginger, and broad bean paste for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Then, add the chopped chilies and continue cooking for 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt to balance the flavors. To finish, let the sauce simmer gently for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once cooked, allow the chili bean sauce to cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it into clean, airtight jars. You can refrigerate your homemade sauce for up to 3 weeks, or freeze it for up to 3 months, ensuring you always have this flavorful condiment on hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.